So good morning, dear student. As I told you that Baba, Commerce Easy here. Today we are going to discuss the planning, and in planning chapter we have already discussed in the first video what are the features of the planning. Now here we are going to discuss importance of the planning. Why the planning is important for the any organization or for managers. First one is given there that it provides the direction. When you will plan in advance for achieving your target economically and efficiently, it will give you a right direction where you should move, and when you will work according to the plan, you will achieve your target on right time. It will also, second point is given there, it will also reduce the risk of uncertainties. When you are planning properly, in that condition there will not be too much risk, right, in your work. Next is given there, overlapping is reduced by the planning. Means you will not repeat the functions, you will not repeat the actions, overlapping will not be there when you will plan properly, and it will reduce the wastage of the resources. Maximum utilization of the resources is possible through the proper planning. Now it also promote the right kind of decision making. You can decide about each and every aspect of the business activity properly. Next is given there, establishing standard for the controlling. One more chapter is given there in your book, that is controlling, and controlling is directly attached with the planning. Where the controlling ends, the planning will start, and when planning will be there, then you can able to set an standard what you want to prepare, and after that controlling work will be done. So they both are interdependent, right? So in this video we are going to discuss these importance, that the planning provides the direction, it reduces the risk of the uncertainties. Next one is given there, it reduces the overlapping and wastage of the resources. Next one given there, facilitates decision making, and next is establishing the standard for the controlling. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.